In today's video we're going to be talking about some unusual early signs of pregnancy which you need to keep an eye out for. So the first sign is tasting metal, so increasing levels of estrogen and progesterone levels during pregnancy can change taste sensations. This condition is known as dysageusia and can cause a pregnant woman to be able to taste metal in their mouth. The symptoms may pass over time, but you can get over it by increasing water intake and chewing sugar-free gum. The second early sign of pregnancy could be a false period, so around 30% of pregnant women will notice spotting or light bleeding during pregnancy. This can happen when the fertilized egg attaches to the uterine lining. This process, which results in bleeding, is known as implantation bleeding, and it's often noted to be around 2 weeks after conception. If you do notice bleeding during pregnancy, it is important to have things assessed by a doctor, as it could also be due to an ectopic pregnancy, a miscarriage, or cervical irritation. Dizziness is the third early sign of pregnancy, so feeling dizzy or lightheaded is a noted symptom, especially during the first trimester. One of the features of pregnancy is changes to blood pressure and blood vessel dilation, which at times may make your blood pressure drop, causing you to feel dizzy or lightheaded. If it is severe, it's always best to see a doctor to have things checked out. The fourth early sign of pregnancy could be feeling very hot, so hormonal changes and increased blood supply to the skin may make you feel warmer than usual. These changes can also make you sweat more. If you are noticing that you're hot more than usual and you've been trying for a baby, this could be a sign that you're pregnant. The fifth early sign of pregnancy is a vaginal discharge, which is white, sticky, or slightly yellow, which may be a sign of pregnancy. It may often be like this in the first trimester, but it could also be present throughout the entire pregnancy. The purpose of the discharge is to prevent infections, as the cervix and vaginal walls tend to soften. The last early and unknown symptom of pregnancy is feeling bloated and constipation. This often occurs due to hormone fluctuations, as pregnancy tends to slow down the digestive system. This is especially the case as more nutrients are passing into your baby's blood circulation. It's advised, if you are feeling bloated or constipated, to increase your fluid intake, exercise regularly, and increase fiber in your diet. So if you've made it to the end of the video, leave a 100 emoji in the comment section below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you and make sure